To turn the cooktop on, press the power button for approximately 1 second. To turn the cooktop off, press the power button again and all cooking zones will be deactivated. To activate the cooking zones, activate the desired zone by pressing the Zone On/Off button. Place your finger on the slider of the zone and gently slide it horizontally to the right to increase the power level, or to the left to decrease the power level. You will notice that the slider segments will turn to a higher luminosity based on the selected power level, and the corresponding display will show the power level selected, ranging from 1 to 18. The P button can be used to select the power boost to quickly boil water. To deactivate the cooking zones, press the Zone On/Off button. Note: water spillage, food overflow, and/or objects positioned on the control panel buttons can mimic one's finger, which can activate or deactivate any of the cooktop buttons. This cooktop offers 18 power levels for a more refined control of power while cooking. Power level cooking tips. 17 to 18. Bring the water to a boil or deep fry frozen products. 15 to 16. Maintain a lively boil, quick sear, blister, stir fry, or brown. 10 to 14. Maintain a gentle boil, preheat, grill for a long period of time, stir fry, sauté, caramelize, brown, or cook pancakes. 5 to 9. Simmer, stew, thicken, or slow cook. 3 to 4. Keep warm or defrost. 1 to 2. Melting, creaming, risotto. How to activate Temp Cook function. Place the cookware on the zone with the following marking: Temp Cook. Activate the zone by pressing the Zone On/Off button. Press the button Temp Cook. Use the up arrow to select the desired temperature. The default setting is 120 degrees Fahrenheit. You may increase the temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit according to your needs. Use the down arrow to reduce the temperature. Once the desired temperature appears in the display, wait a few seconds. The system will start the preheating phase, during which pre and the selected temperature will be alternately displayed. The cooktop will notify you with an audible tone once the cookware has reached the set temperature. After the set point has been reached, you can further refine the temperature by pressing the arrows up and down. If the new temperature selected is higher than the current temperature, pre and the new selected temperature will be alternately displayed until the new set point has been reached.